Hello guys, my name is Mikey, and today I would like to show you how you can create your custom automated trading bot based on ICT trades strategy that was released 2 or 3 weeks ago. Yeah, this strategy you can backtest there by one click all ICT or smart money trades in available history, approximately 20-30 years back in deep backtesting on some pairs, on any time frame and any asset, stocks, crypto, forex, indices, commodities, and so on, and get detailed backtesting statistics. Look at the previous video. I am introducing there or presenting the strategy in depth. So look at the previous video for more information. And if you want to also get more information on the strategy, just send me an email to ict.trades.strategy@gmail.com. You can also find the email address in the description. Yeah, and let's go into it. You can create a automated trading bot by some third-party services. I chose the one of the best or one of the most known third party, which is 3. Uh, yeah, and as you can see here, when I go to 3, you can start free trial for 3 days. You can have a free trial for pro account, so you can try it out, how it works and so on. And here I am logged in my account, as you can see here. I'm also including in the description the registration link where you can get 10% discount for the first purchase of monthly subscription. So don't hesitate to use it. So look at the link in the description for the registration if you want this discount. Here I'm logged in the 3. Here you can see you can use real balance or demo account balance. So if you want to use real account balance, you at first need to connect some exchange. You have here a variety of exchanges: Binance, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, Bittrex, and so on and so on. So you can connect your desired exchange. It's very simple. For example, Binance, you need to just log into Binance and click to connect, and it will connect you. It is not that hard to connect the exchange. So for this example that I will be showing, I will use a demo account in order to be simple to comprehend. Yeah. What we want to do, we would like to create a bot, right? So here we have, you can also create some DCA bots and grid bots, and you have also some presets for already created bots from other people, and you can see how they are going through time and so on. But now we want to create the bot that will be connected to the TradingView strategy, right? So I'm going to create DCA bot. Here I have only this option, classic trading. So here we need to set some or fill some inputs. So this is the name, so I can fill ICT trade strategy. Yeah, we want to use, this is the demo account. In other way, you can choose your exchange if you are trading on the real account. Here, okay. We want to trade only single pair at a time. So we can choose what pair we want to trade. So for example, I have here BTC USD, so I have USDT, so I will choose that one. Okay, this doesn't matter. This you can leave it as a long. Profit currency, leave it at USDT. And here you need to set what will be base order size. So if you want, for example, one order to be open for 50 USDT, so then fill in 50, okay, and so on. Here we want to select market order type, because when a strategy creates an entry signal, it will entry by market, and when it generate exit signal, it will exit by market. This is some reinvest profit. When all the profits can be reinvested, and this base order size will be bigger and bigger, so that's up to you if you want to use it or not. Then this is very important. As a condition, deal start condition, we want to use TradingView custom signal. Okay, here you have also some introduction or some tutorial how can it be used. So as you can see, this is we need to create a DCA bot that we created, and yeah, this will be later, and so on and so on. So there are some descriptions, yeah, and so on, and there is also, yeah, this webhook that we will use in the TradingView alerts in the moment. So let's get back to the trading bot. So we have selected this. So this is also important. We don't want our order to be closed at the 1% take profit. So set it to the maximum possible, which is 100. And I think, yeah, it's a 100. Oh, it's 1000. Okay, so set it to 1000. Okay, this leave what it is. Don't change anything. Here you want to set this max safety order counts to 0. Okay, so we don't want any safety orders to be created. You can also study these parameters, and you can set whatever you want. For the simplicity, I am just creating only the basic trading bot, which will be trading by the signals from the strategy. Okay, and here is the cooldown between deals. So 300 seconds. If this is the time in seconds that the bot will wait after a deal is closed. So when the trade is closed, it will wait 300 seconds in order to open a new trade. So if we can set this to 0 seconds, if we want to have the new trade open 3 seconds after the previous trade was closed. So leave this at 0. Yeah, and probably this could be all that needs to be set for the basic trading bot. Yeah, that should be all. So now I can start or create a trading bot on the demo account. Bot is turned on automatically. In the real account, you need to turn it on manually. It is only created but not turned on, I think. So here now we have turned on this bot on the demo account. You have some settings here, and this is very important. Here you have some messages for the TradingView alerts that needs to be filled in. We want to use only these two. This is the first is message for deal start signal. So whenever this signal is generated by the TradingView, it will trigger alert with this message, which we can copy and put it here on the bottom in the settings to this entry signal. Okay, so we want to put it here. This is empty by default, so it's like this by default, so we want to fill it in like this. Okay, and this message to close order and market price, we want to also copy this, and this is the exit signal, and want to paste in like this. Click OK. Yeah, now it is loading. Yeah, it is loading, and the next thing we have to do is then we will use this. We will use this webhook URL. So we are going to, yeah. So and at first we also want to set the settings as you like, as you have backtested in your strategy tester, which gives you the best profit. So now when we have this entry signal and exit signal filled in, we want to add an alert. So you can put some other name, for example, trading bot. Okay, and this is the very important. Here in the message, you want to put strategy that order that alert message, because all the entry and exit signals, they are pasted into the alert message. So we want to insert it here to the message automatically by the TradingView, and this is the first important thing. And the second important thing is you can also turn this off if you don't want notification. You need to click webhook URL. For this webhook URL, you need at minimum essential trading account to have it active. So now we copy this URL from 3 commas here, and then we click on the create. Okay, so as we can see here, we have we have created the alert. Yeah, we have created the alert, and from now the bot is running on the 15-minute time frame on the BTC USD, and whenever the entry signal or the long signal or the short signal is created, it will create an alert, and it will send a signal to our trading bot. So the bot will be working automatically. Yeah, so when I go to the bots, my bots, you can see the bot here. You can also, yeah, last events and bot stats, and you can also be watching the stats here when some trades are created and closed. So we will see some last events and bot stats and so on. Yeah, so one more thing, if you want to, in the strategy tester, if you want to have deep backtesting, you need to have a minimum premium account, okay? So I forgot to mention it in the previous video. So you can use whatever the third party that generates entry and exit signal use. You can use whatever third party you want, but I use 3 commas because it's the most famous in my opinion, and the most secure to use and the most affordable. Yeah, so you can get 3 days free for the pro account to try it, and also with the link in the description for the registration, you can get 10% discount for the first purchase of monthly subscription. Okay guys, so that should be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and have a nice day guys. Bye bye.